How to hyperlink an email address on your Word. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can hyperlink an email address on Microsoft Word. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is just type in your email. I'll just type in my email right here. And after you type in your email, what you'll need to do is just, as you can see right here, it will automatically change it to a link. But if it does not do that, what you can do is simply select all of your text, head over to insert right above here, tap on insert. After you tap on insert, you should see an option called link. So just expand on the link. And after you expand on the link, tap on insert link. After you tap on insert link, just head over to this email address. And after you're on the email address here, you will see that the email address is automatically here. It's because you just copied or selected these right here. Now I'll just change this here. Now as you can see right here, this mail to colon must be here. So after you add this, if it's not here, which it should automatically be there, it's just gonna come there. Now if you just copy this and add it to here, text to display, you can select it in the document as I have selected in the document. If you have not selected it in the document, you can type in here whatever you want. And now you can even add a subject and you can even add recently used emails. After you do that, simply tap on OK and it will automatically keep this link here. Now, if you see here, if you press Ctrl and click the following link, it will just take you to your email address. And that is basically how you do it, guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.